Doris, how are you?
Hi, Sue Wong.
Okay, first.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Sue Wong, and I have been a fashion designer for many, many years. And now I'm really moving into a whole brand new creative venue, and I'm designing Sue Wong Designer Estates. And it's all about beauty magic and beauty magic transformation, which is really my signature, whether I'm designing beautiful environments, beautiful homes, or beautiful gowns. And Sue Wong products, such as my perfume, such as furniture, garden designs. Anyway, I just really finished designing a beautiful estate in Los Feliz, which is Old Hollywood. I love Old Hollywood glamour, and it's really reflected in my designs, which you see here behind me. And so I'm taking the same sensibilities and basically doing, you know, beautiful vintage Hollywood homes, which is really old glamorous Hollywood.
Thank you so much.
Okay.